Are you tired of the daily grind? Do you yearn for financial freedom and the ability to live life on your own terms? If so, freelancing may be the answer you've been searching for. In this article, we will explore 5 proven strategies that can help you embark on a freelancing journey towards financial independence. Identify your skills and passion. The first step towards freelancing success is identifying your skills and passion. Take a moment to reflect on what truly excites you and where your strengths lie. Are you an exceptional writer, graphic designer, or social media guru? By focusing on areas where your skills align with your passions, you can position yourself as an expert in those fields. Build a strong online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any freelancer looking to attract clients. Start by creating a professional website that showcases your portfolio or previous work samples. Additionally, establish profiles on popular freelance platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter to network with potential clients and showcase your expertise through engaging content. Consistently update these platforms with relevant information about yourself and the services you offer. Network effectively. Networking plays a vital role in freelancing success. It opens doors to new opportunities that may not have otherwise been available. Attend industry-related events or join online communities where potential clients gather. Engage in meaningful conversations with professionals in your field of expertise. This not only helps build relationships but also establishes credibility within the industry. Remember that networking is not just about selling yourself but also about building genuine connections based on trust and mutual benefit. Develop stellar time management skills. One of the challenges many freelancers face is managing their time effectively without the structure of a traditional 9-to-5 job. To succeed as a freelancer, you must develop stellar time management skills. Create a schedule that outlines your work hours and stick to it religiously. Set realistic goals for each day or week, breaking down larger projects into manageable tasks. Utilize productivity tools such as project management software or time tracking apps to stay organized and accountable. Remember to prioritize self-care and downtime. Burnout can be detrimental to both your physical and mental well-being. By effectively managing your time, you can ensure a healthy work-life balance while still meeting client deadlines. Diversify your income streams. While freelancing offers flexibility and independence, it's important not to rely solely on one source of income. Look for opportunities to diversify your income streams by offering additional services or exploring passive income options. Consider creating digital products such as ebooks or online courses that can generate revenue even when you're not actively working with clients. Explore affiliate marketing partnerships where you earn commissions by promoting relevant products or services through your website or social media channels. By diversifying your income streams, you create multiple avenues for financial stability and reduce the risk associated with relying solely on freelance projects. In conclusion, freelancing provides an incredible opportunity to escape the 9-to-5 grind and live life on your own terms. By identifying your skills and passion, building a strong online presence, networking effectively, developing stellar time management skills, and diversifying your income streams, you can pave the way towards financial freedom. Remember that success in freelancing requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. Every setback is simply another step closer towards achieving financial independence through freelancing. So take the leap today. Start implementing these proven strategies into your freelance journey. Transform yourself from an employee trapped in the daily grind into an empowered freelancer living life on their own terms.